Let's go to our next challenge. This time you'll go first, Aishi. This one's called Two Truths and a Lie. The idea here is whether it's challenges or achievements, whether it's about your personal journeys or work related, you need to give us three statements, amongst which two of them are truth and one of them is a lie. And we are going to guess which one's the lie.
Okay.
Go for it.
Okay, mine's like a fun
Perfect.
one.
Yeah.
Okay. First is that I failed my math prelims, 10th prelims. I'm a cat person and I am a huge Justin Bieber fan. Like I'm a belieber.
I'm going to go with Justin Bieber.
That's what I thought as well, but I'll say the cat person is a lie.
And now do I tell you that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can ask.
Okay, the cat person.
Listen, okay.
So you are a believer. I'm also a believer.
Let's go.
My Justin Bieber concert got cancelled in London. I just got
It got
it
cancelled.
didn't get postponed also,
Delhi
it
also
just
just
got
got
cancelled.
cancelled. I had no plans of how I'm gonna get there, who I'm going with, where I'm staying. I have
Nothing.
just
Had
booked the
tickets
tickets. I have booked the tickets. I'm like, I will find someone.
Yeah, and not
Or-
Belieber like to a normal level. Like her
Next
Snapchat
level.
name is Bieber's girl.
Oh, okay.
I
Wow.
made it when I was 12, and now I have an option to edit it out. But now it's just my.
It's part of your personality.
Yeah,
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah.
I think I'm like that with Taylor Swift. Like I'm not as much of
Really?
a believer, but I'm like much more of a Swiftie.
I'm a hardcore believer.
I'm
not a-
I would consider myself a Swiftie. I'm not obsessed with either of them, but like I really like both of them.
Yeah, same. I'm that. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not a
I'm
fan girl
obsessed
of either,
with-
but
No,
like,
it's like if we're at like a club or a party and like a Justin Bieber song plays, everyone's looking for me like, oh, where are you? Where are you?
Yeah, it's true.
That's me and Taylor Swift. Everyone knows me, yeah. So you are a cat person.
I'm not a cat.
Oh, sorry, you're not a cat
I'm
person.
dog
Yeah,
person. I have a
none of
dog.
us are cat people.
Nice. I hate cats as well.
Yeah.
I'm indifferent. I don't like animals overall. Like,
Oh my
I
god.
love
No,
dogs. Just
I'm
adopted a dog
obsessed
2
with
months
dogs.
ago. Oh, 2 months ago, yeah.
I have a Shih Tzu.
Shih Tzu,
Like
same.
6 years old now.
I used to be so scared. I'm not scared. I'm not as scared as I used to be, but like, I'm still like, it's fine. Like, I don't get that. Oh my god, it's a dog. Like, you know, how people stop on the road and like,
Yeah,
oh,
I
no,
saw-
I'm
Same,
not that
same,
person.
yeah. I stop.
I love.
That's not me.
Yeah.
The reason why I love dogs even more is because of Coco. He's like the most adorable dog. in the world.
He's so
Is he hyper?
fluff ball.
Not at all.
Okay, then
Shih
like,
Tzus are very tame in general.
yeah, I
No,
hate
some
like,
Shih Tzus are mad, like
Yeah?
they're cracked
Yeah.
or something.
I
Some
feel
are-
like my dog, like her name is Suki. She, I think, is broken only. Like she's just chilling all the time. Like just like either she's like high or I have no clue what is up with her, but she's just chilling all the time.
No, my dog is like very fun, energetic. Like he plays,
But also very calm.
but very
Very
like,
approachable.
like he's not angry. Ever.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never
Yeah.
angry. I just spend time with stray dogs. And I used to give them medicines with the vet. And
That
I
I
used to give
can't
them
do.
food. And I used to just spend. And I'm by the way, I'm allergic to
Like,
like
hyper-
dander.
Oh,
Yeah,
Damn.
which is very sad. And my dreams were to become a vet, but
Okay, wait. So sorry. The most important point: you failed your 10th maths prelim,
yeah.
and now you're handling finance.
And I went back like last year for founders. It was actually on 18th Feb. So I went last year and I met him. And he was asking me, oh, so what do you do now in life? And I was so proud. I was like, he thought I was going to be nobody and all of that. I was so proud. And I said, oh yeah, I have a mental health startup. And like, I handle all of the accounts.
but yeah, okay. Moving on to your
Yeah.
two truths and a lie.
So I am left-handed. I cook a meal for myself every day, and I can't swim.
I can't swim. That's a lie, in my opinion.
Okay, wait. Let me think.
Okay, I can't swim well.
That's a tough one. I'm just gonna go for the sake of difference with you can't you cook a meal for yourself every day. I think you do maybe
That's
two
it.
meals.
Okay, so yeah, mine's the swimming is a lie. Like swimming well is a lie, and
Okay, I'm not left-handed.
you're not left-handed. Oh,
Damn.
so both of these are true. So you
I
Wait, you said you
actually
can or you can't
swim.
swim?
I can't swim.
Can't
well.
swim, yeah.
I can swim in a 5 feet pool.
So that's
Oh wait,
true.
yeah, that's yeah.
But it's
That's true.
Oh, you said you can't. Okay, I thought of it. You
It's like very
can.
confusing.
But
Yeah,
Preet,
we
you
always get
can
confused.
swim,
Yeah.
No, I can't swim well.
You can.
No, I can't.
I was so confused. I said, but I know for a
I
fact.
can't swim. I can't swim in a 10 feet pool.
That's what I meant. Like you can't, because I can't.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, that is
either,
something
so I was
very,
like,
very,
okay.
very honestly. If someone tells me that either swim in a 10-foot pool or a 100-foot pool, what difference does it make?
I can't do
I
either.
get damn scared.
I
Yeah.
can't do either.
I'm like
No, but I'm saying if
We
you can,
go
if you
swimming
can,
together. I'm
if
like,
you can-
I'm getting it. She swims well.
No.
So I was confused. I was like, okay, she's not
You know I
left-handed.
can't swim.
But I'm
well.
like, this is two
Lies
lies and
and
one
one
truth.
No.
She swims well. Huh?
I
She
like
gives
if you
herself
ask me
less
to
credit.
like jump into like an ocean and all, I can't do that. I couldn't do any of that.
Even I.
Neither could I just jump into like the deep side of a pool. So I can't swim well. I can swim. Oh.
Okay.
Interesting.
So yeah, your other one was that you cook a meal
Yeah,
a
I
day,
cook breakfast almost every day for myself.
and you're right-handed.
Yeah.
Didn't question left-handed. I was like creativity. Creative people are left-handed.
So
Yeah.
Varnika must be in marketing.
She can still be creative and
I
right-handed.
know. I think she can be. I'm just saying, like,
So like, I didn't question
creativity.
her. I was like, yeah, okay, left-handed.
Yeah.
When she said that, I'm starting to think, okay, she hasn't taken a sip of her water, so maybe she was
she's
like,
not easy.
yeah. And I was like, she must. If she's left-handed, it's like easy to do. So I was like, fuck it, it's too much.
But for some reason, I always like when I'm drinking a drink, it's always my left hand.
You would win the game of Buffalo. Have
But you know,
yeah.
that's
Yeah,
why
it's our favorite.
I'm trained now where if it's like in this hand and I'm just conscious, I'm just like this the whole time.
But it's a very good habit because I'm always holding in my right hand, and the
Yeah.
worst thing is when you meet
Me
people
too.
and shake their hands,
You have to like
Yeah.
switch.
your hand is cold
Oh, yeah.
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 if it's an icy drink. So